Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss Worksheet 17 from Directorate of Education, Schedule 12th August 2020 from your chapter Electricity. And today we will be going to discuss potential difference. What is potential difference? The electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit carrying some current is defined as the amount of work done to move a unit charge from one point to other. So potential difference can be written as work done divided by charge. The SI unit of electric potential difference is volt, named after an Italian physicist Alessandro Volta. Student, you can also define 1 volt as 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points in current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to other point. Means what? 1 volt can be defined as the amount of work done, means 1 joule of work done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to other. You can write it like this also. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Okay. The potential difference is measured by an instrument called voltmeter. And voltmeter is always connected in parallel across the points between which the potential difference is to be measured. So keep in mind, voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Next, student, we have electric circuit. What is electric circuit? A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called electric circuit. If the circuit is open or broken anywhere, the current stops flowing. Means, if the circuit is complete or it is closed, then only current start flowing. If it is broken somewhere or it is open, then current stop flowing through it. Okay. An electric circuit comprises of a cell or battery, a plug or key, right, and other electric component like connecting wires, ammeter, bulb, etc. Student, here we have symbols. Conventional symbols used to represent some of the most commonly used electrical components, like connecting wires can be shown like this. See, these are connecting wires. Resistor, cell, positive terminal, negative terminal, cell. Okay. Battery, when more than 2 cells are joined to form battery. Plug or key. Student, this is we have open key and this is we have closed key. This is bulb, as I told you earlier, ammeter and voltmeter. So this is all about your today's worksheet, and let's do some practice exercise also. First question is, what is meant by saying that the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? So, when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of amount 1 coulomb from one place to another, then it is said to be the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt. It is defined over here, right? Draw the symbols of the given component used in electric circuit diagram. Battery Okay, cell, register, closed key, cell, register, you can draw, I mean from here. So, and I must say you draw all the diagrams, draw all the, sorry, symbols. Draw all the symbols, not only these but all the symbols. Okay. Third question we have, name the device that help to maintain the potential difference across conductor. Any source, student, any source of electricity like battery, cell or power supply etc. help to maintain the potential difference across conductor, right? Any source of electricity, either cell, battery or power supply, any mode of power supply. Okay. And fourth question we have, differentiate between open and closed circuit. This is very simple. Open and closed circuit. First difference is open circuit can be shown by this and closed circuit is shown by this. In open circuit, potential difference is not established, but in closed circuit, potential difference is established. Okay. Current does not flow in open circuit, but in closed circuit, current flows. Okay. Current flows in closed circuit, but does not flow in open circuit. So student, this is all about your worksheet 17. Hope you understand it very well. It is very easy. You liked it. And if you really like it, please do share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.